ExpressVPN claims to be the #1 VPN provider in the list of VPNs that are currently out in the market. But is that really true? In this video, we will see how good the ExpressVPN actually is. What are its pros and cons, and help you decide whether this VPN is worth your money or not. Hello guys, this is Ankit, and without any further ado, let's get started with the features of ExpressVPN. The ExpressVPN offers a really great set of features, but in this video, I am going to talk about only 4 of them which I think are really important for you to know. So starting with the first one, ExpressVPN provides an inbuilt speed test for its servers. It will make sure that you are using the fastest server across all regions of the world. It uses various parameters to measure the speed such as speed index, latency, and download speeds to ensure that you are using the fastest server available on their service. Another great feature given by the ExpressVPN is the network lock. Network lock is basically the ExpressVPN's kill switch. What network lock basically does, it quickly cuts off the internet connection as soon as the VPN drops for any reason. It is very useful and advisable to turn on the network lock or kill switch whenever you are using torrent website. Another great feature offered by the ExpressVPN is the split tunneling. Split tunneling allows some specific apps to bypass the VPN connection and use the regular internet. In this way, you can allow some specific apps to use the regular internet and use some apps with the protection of VPN. Now comes to the fourth and the last feature offered by the ExpressVPN, which is this trusted server security. ExpressVPN uses volatile memory across its server to make sure that none of the user's data is saved, and it also ensures that as soon as the system reboots, the data is wiped out clearly. Speaking of the server capabilities, ExpressVPN currently operates on more than 3,000 servers across 94 countries, and all the servers are fast, secure, and are P2P friendly. You can select the servers according to the continents of the world, such as if you want to connect to American region, you can select all these locations from the America, or if you wish to connect to a Europe location, you can do that as well. ExpressVPN supports a vast variety of operating systems, and it is not just only available for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, or Linux, but it is also available for smart TVs such as Apple TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Samsung Smart TV, Roku, Chromecast, and Nvidia Shield. And it has also covered the security for gaming consoles such as PlayStation, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. You can also add an extension in your browser for ExpressVPN, which means that you don't have to go into the application to connect or disconnect to the VPN again and again. Now let's talk about the pricing and the support services offered by the ExpressVPN to its users. As compared to the other VPN providers currently available in the market, it is a bit costlier. Starting its first plan at $12.95 a month for one single month, second plan at $9.99 a month for 6 months, and the third plan at $6.67 a month for 15 months. It is basically a 12-month deal, but you are getting 3 months free right here. So this is the offer time. Payment methods offered by the ExpressVPN are quite flexible. You can use your credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, and you can also opt to have these payment options you can see right here. One thing here to note that in the terms of cryptocurrency, ExpressVPN only accepts payments from Bitcoin, which means that if you are using cryptocurrency to pay, you need to have Bitcoin with you. Apart from that, ExpressVPN doesn't give its users a 1-month free trial or something like that, but it makes sure that you can get a 30-day money back guarantee in case the ExpressVPN does not meet your requirement or somehow it didn't met with your expectation. You can easily contact their support team and request a refund. Speaking of support team, ExpressVPN has a 24/7 live support team which will address all of your problems in one go. On their website, you can find various options for troubleshooting, contact support, and if you want to resolve the problem yourself, then you can get instruction for your particular problem. Or if your problem for some reason is a bit concerning, then you can request a ticket and their executive will reach out to you as soon as possible. So now we have talked a lot about the ExpressVPN, and now I'm going to show you how you can download the ExpressVPN for yourself. So you just have to go over to their website and click on the setup button right here on the top right corner. And it will bring you to a login page. When you are visiting for the first time, you have to create an account with ExpressVPN, and then you have to purchase a subscription. So now I'm going to log in with my account and show you the process after logging in. So now you can see that I'm logged into my ExpressVPN account, and just right here on the right side of the screen, you can see the download button, and it will download the installer according to your operating system. So once you have downloaded and installed the ExpressVPN app, you can open it by double clicking on the ExpressVPN icon right here, and it will pop up a really simple user interface for ExpressVPN right in front of you. You can quick connect to the VPN by clicking on this connect button, and it will automatically connect to you to the fastest server available in your local region. However, if you want to select a particular location, then you can click on this three dot button right here and select whichever region you want. To make things easier, ExpressVPN has marked all of its locations according to their continent, which means that if you want to select only Asia Pacific countries, then you can click on the Asia Pacific right here and select to whichever region you want. Or if you want to connect to Middle East and Africa region, then you can click on this button right here and it will pop up all the regions that are in the Middle East and Africa region. Same for Americas and Europe. You can find more tools and options by clicking on this button right here on the top left corner of the screen, and it will pop up all the various menus such as VPN location, speed test, options, help support, and all of its current featuring offers. ExpressVPN has a built-in speed test feature which makes sure that you are using the fastest server in your region. To do that, you just have to click on this button right here and click on the speed test option, and it will pop up all the locations that you can connect to right now. You just have to click on the run test button and it will automatically give you the speed index, latency, and the download speeds within seconds. So as you can see, that speed test has completed and it has arranged all the location in the order of giving the maximum speed. As I'm currently in India, so it is showing me the India Mumbai region on number 1, then Singapore, then United Kingdom Docklands, and then Netherlands, and then the rest of the regions available right now to choose from. For any particular location, ExpressVPN shows me the speed index, latency, and the download speeds. Higher the speed index, more faster would be the internet. Lower the latency, more faster would be the internet response, and download speeds are meant to be faster. You can find all the other features by clicking on the options button right here, and it will pop up all the information related to your account and which protocol you are currently using. You can also change the current protocol if you are seeing some latency or delay in speeds. You can have some shortcuts related to which browser you use or on which websites you frequently visit, or you can have an extension for your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Currently, ExpressVPN only supports Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. And on the advanced option, you can find some more settings related to DNS, network setting, and IPv6 leak protection. So now we have talked a lot about the ExpressVPN, and we have also seen how the ExpressVPN performs, and we have also taken a look at some of its features. So now let me just show you how the streaming services such as Netflix work on ExpressVPN. Alright, so as you can see that I'm not connected to the VPN, which means that I'm using the internet from my original location. So now I'm going to move over to the Netflix and click on the reload button. So it currently shows me the library for Netflix India, which means that if I have to watch a show which is only specific to United States or UK, I cannot watch it in India. So what I'm gonna do, I'll go back to the ExpressVPN and then I'll select any region from United States and then I'll reload the Netflix again. So let's go with the United States and so you can see that it has successfully connected me to the United States, New York region, and now I'll reload the Netflix again. So now you can see that it is currently showing me the library for United States, which means that I can watch any show or movie without any content restriction, even if it is in United Kingdom or even if it is on some other streaming platform such as Amazon Prime or Hulu. Now let's come to the conclusion of this video. At this price point, ExpressVPN is definitely not the VPN that everyone would buy. For this price, you can definitely get some really great alternatives available in the market right now. NordVPN has the same set of features that ExpressVPN offers, but in lesser price. But in your case, if price doesn't bother you, then you can definitely go for the ExpressVPN, as it has to offer more than the competitors it has available in the market. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that this video was really helpful for you, and if you really want to see some amazing content like this, then you can consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.